morning, YouTube. So today is going to be a little different from most of the YouTubes we've been doing. I had to go help my parents this weekend at one of their properties that they're turning into an Airbnb, and it took me 2.5 hours to get home from 29 Palms, which is right by Joshua Tree. If you don't know where Joshua Tree, it's like when you're heading towards Palm Springs, kind of. So today, yesterday was Cyber Monday. So what I was thinking of doing was extending our cyber deals, and we are gonna list 50 items all under $20. So that's what we're doing this week. And it should be exciting, and I think everyone's going to look forward to it because everyone is in the mood for some deals right now. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to put up some deals and steals for you cuties. Just another day at Popsicle Shop with our internet girls that are uploading all of our fresh finds. We're doing some TikToks, and we're doing basically our marketing for the week. Okay, so we're doing things differently today. So I didn't set up the trailer, so we're figuring out how we're gonna work this magic and make it happen. So right over there is the bag of all the stuff that was online last week. And then you got Prince Charming. These are some of the fresh finds that are gonna be on the website. We're doing something special today. These are all the things that are gonna go into the store this week. So basically everything on the website this week is going to be under 20. Scotty, come here. Come here. He'll come. And this is our main squeeze right here, guys. This is our 1 month anniversary. I'm just kidding.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays. We're celebrating. Okay. How do you girls feel about today? Because it is our 1 month. It's kind of like our 1 month. If I didn't mess up last week.
I feel like we did everything on time. I like her idea of doing everything first and then doing the uploading.
Okay.
Yeah. So
the process went faster.
It's a good system because then we put it on, take the picture, upload it, and then we could upload all the outfits later. And that's more of like, hey, this is some of the new stuff. Go check out the rest.
Okay, cool. Yeah. So you guys, what you did first was take the product picture and then you put it on yourself, and then took the pictures outside or whatever, and then you just went inside and uploaded. Okay, cool. Whatever works. I don't care. Create your own system. That's fine with me. I felt like today went by smoother. I felt like you guys were so much more independent today, kind of thing. I mean, did you guys feel like you needed me way less today?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then also with the $20 cap.
It was easier to price things.
That's what I was noticing. I don't want you guys. I feel like you're more questioning the pricing. So that's why I was like, I do need to break it down for you guys. So when you come here, you're not like thinking so much kind of thing. But overall, I'm really excited for this week because everything on the website is going to be $20 and under.
Yeah.
And I think we did really well yesterday with Cyber Monday. Hey, I think that was really awesome.
Yeah.
I think how it went this year was obviously, it was a little like, because I messed up. But overall, next year, I want us to think more in depth of how we can like fuck up, like Cyber Monday, okay? Whether it's like getting 100 pieces under $10 online kind of thing. Whatever we can do to make it happen.
Yep.
But right now, I think just honestly, a lot of the things that sold were $40 items that I marked under $25, and then a lot of items that were marked at $10 or $5. So that's why I want to try the 20 and under this week and see how people respond to that.
Yeah.
Anything new today? Did we learn anything new today? Do you feel like?
I learned how to use TikTok more, I guess.
Same.
Wait, what is that?
TikTok.
TikTok. Oh, we actually
Yeah.
did TikTok this week. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
true. Okay. Did you guys feel like it's easier?
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like I've grown from like my first one.
Okay,
honestly,
yeah.
like I saw it more as like Snapchat. You know
Yeah,
what I mean?
it is. Yeah.
But like it's not.
Snapchat/Vine.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but like with like
Music.
Dub Smash.
We missed a week last week. Did you guys feel lonely?
Yeah.
Is it okay?
She said when she first came here, she's like, I feel like I haven't been here in years.
Oh, really? I'm sorry.
It's okay.
But overall, is this like a fun experience from not having it last week?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Just something different to have during your wait kind of thing?
Yeah.
I feel like we're like way more just like, you know, there's more like structure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you guys feel like you kind of help create that structure?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's way more, it's better to have control, I feel like. You don't feel like you're at a job.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, how are you guys feeling? Do you feel like you have control here kind of thing? Because that's overall, that's how I want it to be. It's like, you have the power.
It's a lot of expressing ourselves too. It's like hard to put things together.
Challenging yourself.
Especially for other people, you're just like...
Yeah, that's something I want to discuss with you guys too. You got to understand that when you're doing this and you're uploading online, you're not uploading for yourself.
Yeah.
And it might be styled by you individually, but it doesn't mean that you guys don't have the style potential to style somebody else.
Mm-hmm.
So when you look at all these pieces, you got to look at like, oh, maybe, my boyfriend would really like that. So maybe that's what I should put on there kind of thing. My sister would really like that. So that's what I can put up there. Or I saw a young girl wearing that. Maybe that's something stylish for like, the younger girls. But it's just, you have to think of all these categories, and the only one who's going to be considerate are you two.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm like, when you're playing with this, start mixing sizes, start mixing patterns, start mixing looks. Challenge yourself, even with the skeleton things, like things that you never thought you were going to wear it. That's why I'm like, challenge your style kind of thing. Don't just stay put in whatever you are.
Yeah.
And then you never know, maybe those are the things that are going to be making the sales. And then that's how you become a buyer. Because you start understanding, okay, that makes sales, what the customer wants, kind of thing. We want to make it so that every week we start understanding what they want from us. They aren't going to give us their time, their money, anything, unless we start to understand what they want on the website. So every week, I'm going to send you guys everything, pretty much all your listings and how much you made from it, kind of thing. But just start remembering the items that were sold.
Yeah.
Like that's one fact, all rainbow shit flew this week.
Yeah.
Kind of thing. And start looking at the price range too. Take that all into, consideration. But overall, I think it was really, it sucked missing the week kind of thing, but we had so much content. I could continue it for a whole other week. Mm-hmm. That's why I thought it was crazy. That's why I was like, I can't let Cyber Monday just go kind of thing. I had to take advantage of it because it's true. We had so much. Mm-hmm. The first week was all photos of you girls. And then the second week was just flat shots of everything. Yeah. Kind of thing. And we have been building some more followers since we've been doing all this mix of constantness. And it used to be that Popsicle Shop didn't post all the time. And now we're fucking posting all the time. And I feel like that's what people appreciate. They just want you creating styles, creating different looks, showing them. Even I did one where it was like one picture of one flat thing, and then I did another flat thing. And I said, you can style bundle, kind of thing. It's just showing those. So you guys could do the same with your images, on your page. Just because you didn't create the, the ground look, like we didn't do that today. Mm-hmm. You can go home and just grab the different images and put them together, kind of thing, like a collage, So those are just things to start thinking about, and those are what's going to help you make sales, because you made a big sale today.
Thanks,
so
Anna.
yeah. Don't worry, Marie, you got something from that sale too. But it's helpful, and people want to know what you're doing. That's why I'm like, post this up, post the clothing on your page. Don't be afraid of over posting. There's no such thing. Yeah. Okay? Just let it go. Okay? So I'm like, you helping on your individual page helps, and it makes a difference, because there's people that don't know who the fuck Popsicle Shop is, and they know who you guys are. That's why I'm like, you need to use your resources to help yourself, make it happen. But otherwise, I think you guys fucking did amazing this past 2 weeks of me not being there for a week, and you guys actually taking selfies and actually posting them. Like, that's so awesome, and I'm really proud of you guys. I didn't get to say it, but I was thinking it all week long was what are they going to do without me? Because I wanted you guys to take action, and you guys did. Every week, though, try to take a little more action. Just a little more action. But yeah, it was a good day. It was I did miss you in the 2 weeks, so don't worry, guys. It's nice being with people that are like-minded and that want to do things. So I'm really excited for this week, and I'm really excited for next year too, because it's gonna be 2020. And I don't know, but I think that's really crazy.
Yeah.
Okay. I was like, I think that's like really like, I don't know. I'm kind of like, wow.
It hasn't hit me.
Were we supposed to have like flying cars and shit? Like,
yeah, we were supposed to travel that. Jetpacks.
I'm proud of you guys, and in 2020 we're gonna have a working website. Okay, so this year I'm really proud of all the little steps we took, but next year I know we're gonna kick ass. And yeah, that's it. I'm really proud of you guys, and I'm really happy, and that's it. So we're gonna end this YouTube because I'm done and I'm fucking tired. Okay,